Many people do this wrong. 5 plus 7 is 12. Drop the divided by 4 times 5. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Drop the times 5. And 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is 15. Wrong. Let me show you how to solve this correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying that 7 divided by 4 goes first. What is 7 divided by 4? I don't know. So I write it in a fraction form, 7 over 4. Next, I'll turn this 5 and this other 5 into a fraction. So times 5 over 1. Drop the plus sign, drop the 5, but in fraction form, 5 over 1. And now we're looking at this. I start with multiplication because it has higher priority than addition. So you multiply across. 7 times 5 is 35 over 4 times 1 is 4. Next, you drop the 5 plus, and check this out. Some people do this. So they'll bring the 35 over 4, and then they'll say 5 plus 35 over 4 is the answer. 535 over 4. And that is wrong. That's why I turned this 5 into a fraction. And notice the denominators are different. So I use the butterfly method. So here are the wings. You multiply what's inside the wings, and the body gives you the denominator. 1 times 4 is 4. And 5 times 4, oh, don't forget the antennas. There you go. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 35 is 35. That was easy. And then you add 20 plus 35. So that's 55. And 55 over 4 cannot be broken down further. This is your answer. Now let's get a decimal and a mixed number answer because this is an improper fraction answer. So I'll be using the long division for this. The 55 goes inside, that's the dividend. The 4 goes outside, that's the divisor. How many times can 4 fit into 55? I know that 12 times 4, knowing your multiplication, is 48. So we're getting super close to 55. And just add 4 more, that's 13, which is 52. Add another 4, and that is 56. So it goes 1 over 55. So 12, 13, right? And 14. We cannot use 14. We have to use 13. So 13 goes up there. 13 times 4 is 52. And then you subtract 55 minus 52. That is 3. So your mixed number answer, and I'll circle that for you with the red. The whole number is the 13. The 3 remainder goes above the fraction bar over, and then the 4 goes below the fraction bar. So it's 13, 3 over 4, and that's the same thing as 13.75. And there you go.